Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. And today we're preparing this White Lily cinnamon crumb cake. So if you guys have lost your box or you just need a visual guide, we're here to help. So we've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your cinnamon crumb cake mix. You're going to need an 8x8 inch pan. If you don't have an 8x8 inch pan, you could use a 9x9. Your cooking time is just going to be slightly less. You're going to need a bowl to mix everything up in, a spoon and spatula, some cooking spray to coat our pan. I've also prepared my pan with foil to make it easier to take out at the end. You can skip that step if you like. You're going to need 1/3 of a cup oil, 2/3 of a cup water, 1 egg, and some toothpicks to check and make sure everything is done at the end. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to prepare our pan. So line it with foil if you would like, and then move on to spraying it with some nonstick cooking spray, and then set that aside. Next, we need to combine our cake mix. So in our bowl, we're going to put our 2/3 of a cup water, 1/3 of a cup oil, 1 egg, and beat those together until well blended. Next, we'll open up our package, and in here you have a large clear bag that is your cake mix. And then you have a small clear bag that is more brown in color. That is your streusel mix. Set aside your streusel mix and add your cake mix into your wet ingredients. Now just stir your cake batter up until well blended.
If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there.
Now we're going to take our pan and pour in about half of our cake batter mixture into the bottom of our pan. Spread that as evenly as you can, and now open up your packet of your cinnamon streusel mix. I like to just cut off the edge of it so that you don't sprinkle all of it out at once, because we want to use about half of this packet, and then you can sprinkle that as evenly as possible over your cake batter mixture. Next, we're going to take spoonfuls of our remaining batter and just kind of spread it onto the top as good as you can. This will be a little bit more difficult to spread because you've got this cinnamon mixture under it that doesn't want to spread. And now that that's done, take the rest of your streusel mixture and sprinkle it evenly over the top. And now we're just going to pop this into the oven for their recommendation of 33 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long that takes in my oven.
If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content.
All right guys, it has been about 38 minutes in my oven, so a bit longer than their recommended time. At the 33 and 35 minute mark, it was definitely a bit jiggly in the center. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. And that has now come out mostly clean, which is exactly what you want. A little bit of crumb is fine. Now we just need to let this cool in the pan before we slice it up. So here is our completed White Lily cinnamon crumb cake. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.